When you need to cut through hardwood and tree limbs, you could still do this, but you could save some time and effort with this, without fussing with gas, noise, and fumes. This Milwaukee 16-inch lithium-ion cordless chainsaw kit comes with an 18-volt chainsaw, one high-output battery pack and rapid charger, chain guard, and a scrunch. Place the battery charger in a dry location and let the battery charge fully before first use. With the battery out, familiarize yourself with the parts of the chainsaw. You'll find the lock-off button and variable speed trigger down by the rear handle. The front handle with the handguard and chain brake is on the top of the chainsaw. The battery pocket is designed for the M18 battery and has a vent underneath to help keep it from overheating and collecting any chips. Use the scrunch to rotate the chain tensioning screw to increase tension until the chain is snug around the guide bar. You don't want to see any sag in the chain. Remove battery pack and check chain tension frequently during the first 2 hours of use. With the blade side down, fill oil reservoir with chain oil before starting. The oil will keep the saw chain and guide bar properly lubricated. Never run the saw without chain oil. To start the chainsaw, pull the chain brake lever to the unlock position. Grip both handles securely and press the lock-off button and pull the trigger. Allow the tool to come to full speed before contacting the workpiece. To stop, release the trigger. Hold the saw still until the chain comes to a complete stop and then lock the chain brake lever.